This is not our regular sister. I don't. Everything is nice, perfect. The pepper, the seasoning.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose if you are stopping by for the first time. Today we have another what I eat in a day video, but today we are going to be doing it a little bit different. I'm going to be cooking for my friend for 24 hours instead of like cooking for myself. But today we already woke up late. This is already like 1 p.m. We woke up super late, so we are going to skip breakfast in this video. And then for lunch, we are going to be having white rice and vegetable. That is also one of like my favorite foods. I know I'm very bad at eating, but I have like one or two meals that I really enjoy. So that's what we're going to be making this afternoon. And for dinner, we'll be having potato porridge. So right now, I want to step out to the market to get everything that I need for the vegetable soup because I don't have a lot of things at home, so I have to go out right now to get it. This is already like 1 p.m. or so hopefully we, eat. We already had tea because, we're hungry when we woke up, so we just quickly had tea. I didn't show that, but let's start from this afternoon. We're going to be doing lunch and dinner. Maybe I'll extend it to tomorrow's breakfast just so the video is complete, like cooking for 24 hours for my friend. And you guys, my sister is coming this night. She'll be here in the night, so it's going to be really fun for them to, like me cooking for them to eat. So today is my mom's 2 years anniversary and I was a bit weak this morning. That was why I woke up really late, and yeah, so I'm just trying to lighten up the mood and not be all cranky and all. And I'm excited that my sister is coming, and I'm happy that I have good company around. My friend is here, and because she's here, I didn't mope around this morning. My mood was a bit lightened up, so I'm happy. And I'm also happy my sister is coming, so everything will just come together. So I don't want to yap too much in this intro. Let me sharply go to the market and I'll be back soon. Okay. And now I cannot trust you, and I'm forced to let you go. That's what's spreading thin on us too. Hate to see you lose control. Now I must spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups, and switching up on everyone who loves you. But that doesn't stop the show. I think you should know that, baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs. You guys, I just came back from the market now. I want to bring out everything I got and start cooking. I can't talk much in this video because there's a lot of work to do. I bought a lot of stuff and it's going to take a lot for me to cook. I don't know if I want to, arrange everything before I cook, or if I want to show you the process of me arranging them. That will take longer, so I think I should just be fast about it, arrange all the ingredients and set them down, and then come back to you guys. I think that's what I want to do, but let me show you what I got from the market. Attention if you don't be so fancy. Hope you don't honestly was the only thing that can keep me from leaving. Baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs attention if you don't be so fancy. Hope you don't honestly was the only thing that can keep me from leaving. I'm left to wonder, I let this go under. You guys, I just finished washing everything now. This is the beef I got. This is omo. This is stockfish. And then this is mala fish. So let's get right into cooking all this before we start mixing. I'm really sorry about the noise. I don't know where the noise is coming from, but let's continue, guys. We let all our Hollywood dreams and then a blunder. I may never see you again. I hate when further we're frontin', and if Hollywood is home now, it's just a house that is haunted, where I spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups. You're switching up on everyone who loves you, but that doesn't stop my soul, and I think you should know that, baby, you're the reason you always think the only one who needs attention if you don't be so conceited. Hope you learn honesty was the only thing that can keep me from leaving.
Come with me, stay the night. Just say the words, but boy, it don't feel right. What do you expect me to say? With a player like you, I don't have a prayer. That's the way to live. No, no, it's just too little, too late.
I do. Thank you. This food is banging, man. It is banging, man. This food is banging. You took your time and it's showing. I don't hide myself, but today you will hide yourself. Wipe myself. I will wipe myself today. The oil will still come out, so I don't want to put too much so that it will not be all over the place. Yes.
Are you the chef now?
See me now.
Zoom out.
Very soon, I'll soon be done.
I've been thinking about you. Do you think about it still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
You guys, this is the finished product. I can't wait for her to taste it. Let's go and see how she feels about the food. So are you ready?
Yes. I'm a serious person.
My love. It is ready.
See level now. All this treatment for me.
It's for you, my love. Enjoy.
Okay, let's.
You will taste first now. Taste and tell me how you feel. I will have a taste if it tastes nice. Before I eat
Son
my
of
own.
Holy Spirit, amen. Bless and sanctify this food, which you are about to receive from your bounty through Christ our Lord.
Amen. Okay.
Okay. Oh, man.
I'm shaking, but I'm waiting for you, Sha. I'm waiting for you. Me, I'm already celebrating, Sha.
Oh, mama, mele.
Are you sure? Is it nice?
Everything is nice, perfect. The pepper, the seasoning.
The pepper is much. Do you like pepper?
Yes, I love pepper. Yeah. And this part of the world, we have to like pepper.
I think it's not bad.
And the pomo is very soft.
Very, very. That's why I bought it separate.
I love it.
I'm happy. Even if I took the whole day.
It doesn't mean that you have seen the result of your effort.
I'm happy that you like it though. Imagine I cook nonsense.
You know if you cook nonsense, nah, but
Are you sure? I don't know how to cook, but to be honest, I don't really know how to cook.
this is not the first time that I'm eating your food. I've eaten your food in Akure several times.
True.
So when you say you don't know how to cook, they do me like Chinese for ear.
But it's true now.
Okay, you don't know how to cook some certain food. Be specific.
It's just the regular ones that you know.
This
Even
multiple
those
vegetable
ones, I used to just forget this.
This vegetable, you're not saying multiple foods.
I'm regretting why I dish small food for myself now. This is like one of my favorite food. Rice and vegetable.
That's how we eat every Sunday.
I don't like swallow. So if I make vegetable, it's mainly for rice.
Before I don't used to eat vegetable with swallow.
No, only rice.
But now, I like it. But this one is just they perfect.
You did what's the weight?
Over what? You did very well.
Thank you. Thank you. I can't even stop eating.
But the texture of this pomo,
I'm not cute, but I don't even know how I started eating rice and vegetable. I can't remember, like,
you know the chop am before.
I used to eat it, but like, I don't think when I was in the north I used to eat it.
Now
This
be our
is one of my
number
just favorite food.
number one food for our house. Damn.
Yes, product budget. After this one, Indomie.
Oh, but Indomie.
God, I'm filled.
I'm
What's
using
the
my
time?
hand to carry the last piece of meat before you eat.
Please enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Oh. This is already 7 after 7. I don't think we can eat another food again.
I cannot, even though you put gun for my head, I don't know.
We will cook the next meal tomorrow morning. No, my tummy wanna burst.
No comment.
No comment. You can't talk again. I know that feeling. This is the way I was feeling a few days ago that you gave me chewing gum.
Thank you very much, guys. The food was delicious. Look at my plate. I cleared it.
I cleared my own too, like.
No, we can't even
I
stand up.
cleared my, but you ate more than me, Sha.
Yes, I did.
I took like half of your own. Because I'm even tired. That's how it is. Anytime I cook, I can't eat too much. Gym in the mud.
You be a queen. You know it's a queen, maybe. Talk and do. You talk and say you go overfeed me, and you don't achieve your goal.
That thing that you did to me that day, I've done it back to you.
Payback time.
I was eating that day, the Indomie refused to finish. I'm like, what's happening?
Now you don't know me now.
What's happening?
Rice, vegetable, plantain with plenty of rishi inside.
It's nice.
Now this kind of food they
Nice.
give me wife where they just
Should be, don't worry.
Should be your-
when you come next
should
time,
be your
I'm talking
face,
to you, my
Usman.
love, my sweet cousin sister. When next you come, don't worry.
come and see how they used to
I'll
treat
make your
me
own
now.
delicacy for you. Trust me.
See how they treat me like a queen.
Like a queen that
Come
you
and
are.
learn, no. Come
Like
and
a
learn,
queen.
Biko.
So you need to be treated like that.
Thanks, baby.
The only namesake I have in this world, the only one that I know of that I love.
And allow me
So
to
you have to.
allow my head to be big in peace.
You're a darling. You have a kind heart.
Aww.
You deserve this and more.
Going to
Don't worry.
cry.
Tomorrow morning I'm going to make porridge for you. Porridge. Sweet one for Asanwa like you.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. For now, Ubafidi want to finish. Let me go and shower and sleep. See you tomorrow. Hi guys, good afternoon. This is the next day. You guys, I fell sick at midnight. I used to have pneumonia, so I had like a mini attack yesterday, and from my waist down to my leg was just gone. It was dead. Like I was in so much pain. I didn't sleep well, so I've just been here and there since morning. But you guys, I have to finish this video. Like I cannot start something and not finish it. I'm going to finish it. So today it is already 5:12. So I had spaghetti this afternoon, which I bought. I couldn't cook since morning, so I bought it. Right now I want to go and start making the potato porridge I told you guys about. That's what I want to do right now. And I said let me quickly talk to you guys before I start cooking. It's not going to take much of my time, so I think I can manage to do it. Let's go, guys.
When I'm like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house, I could sell you an idol. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about it still? Do you, do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Yes, of course. I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You know you were my first time, a new feel. It will never get old, not in my soul, not in my spirit, keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever.
I way, pass it my way. This kind of body that they pass it my brain. And when we leave, if you do I'm your way, or if you want, if you do I'm my way. I way, you shut her down too. You tell me and I know they go on one day. I know they care, say they put my damn crazy. Money on me mind outside.
Guys, you won't believe what just happened. The gas finished. The gas finished in the middle of me cooking, so I had to send my security to help me fill the gas, but he's back now. So, you know, let's continue. done cooking, so it is time to serve the food. Let's see what she thinks about the food, if she likes it, if it tastes nice. So it's time to go eat. After eating, we are going to watch a movie and call it a night. Okay, I'm super excited that I did this. I feel very happy cooking for others. I just don't know why, rather than cooking for myself. But I'm happy that she's here. I cooked for her and it will also help me like eat. I'm just super excited for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. So without further much yapping, let's serve the food, okay? Fine, now taste it and tell me how you feel.
Okay, let's satisfy this food we're about to receive from your bounty through Christ and Lord. Amen.
Yeah,
Okay. Why are you waiting for me to
No, I'm
taste?
waiting for you to taste.
Okay. Ha, this will be the album I don't pursue me inside. What's the name of this food?
Sweet potato porridge. I don't know if it has another name. I sure don't like yam porridge.
This is not our regular soup.
Do you like it?
Oh, I love it.
One of
You
my
know that I don't
favorite
like
food.
I don't like eating sweet potato porridge.
But
Just
you like
fries,
this one?
but I like this one because it's not that chalky and
Yes. One of my favorite food.
be like say you will go there compete with them, you that now.
Abby. Me, I like it, John.
Intercontinental chef.
Do you like the common chef?
You don't always love your pomo. Very soft.
This food is banging, Sha.
Not your regular kind of potato.
You like it?
Yes, I love it. I'll be trying this recipe when I get home.
Don't worry, I'll share you my recipe. My secret recipe. Oh yeah, let's go and sit down and enjoy the food, Abby. You can't even talk. Bye.